Hello, everybody. Hello, and thank you for joining us. Now, I know that it's been a minute since we've uploaded any new material. We had some situations going on, but thanks be to God, they're about to be resolved, and very soon we will be starting to again upload more videos for you, providing you with more health tips and health information. But today, I want to present to you a little small overview about heart health. As some of you may or may not know, the month of February is considered Heart Health Month. So I hope that this little presentation, you will find it very informational and that it will do you some good. Okay, so let's get started with our little presentation. All right, so as we said, February is considered Heart Health Awareness Month. The entire month of February has been set aside for Heart Health Awareness Month. So, I am Dr. Corbett. I am the I am the program director for He Cares Training and Education Center, and Dr. Deidre Willis is our project manager for He Cares Training and Education Center. Health Talk is our podcast for He Cares Training and Education Center, where we come on and we provide you health tips, health information. Uh, we have occasional speakers to come in and discuss various topics and subject matter as it relates to health. All right, so as we said, this is Heart Health Month. So, quick question. Did you know that your heart beats about 100,000 times a day? Now, that's over 35 million beats a year. But here's the real question. Are you taking care of your heart? Welcome to our channel. As I said, where we bring you important life changing health tips. Today, we're talking about something that affects everyone. No one is exempt, and that is Heart Health Awareness Month. Now, stick around because we're going to break down why this month matters, how it started, and most importantly, how you can keep your heart strong and healthy. And before we dive in, do me a quick favor, hit that thumbs up button. And if you care about keeping your heart healthy, and if you're new here, subscribe. It costs you nothing. Just hit the subscribe and tap that bell button so you'll never miss out on our latest health tip. All right, so let's start with the basic. Heart Health Awareness Month happens every February. So, as I said, the entire month of February is considered Heart Health Awareness Month. And it's all about raising awareness of heart disease and promoting healthy habits. Now, it started back in 1964 when President Lyndon B. Johnson officially declared February as a time to focus on heart health and for a good reason. Heart disease is actually the leading cause of death worldwide. It's kind of scary, right? But here's the good news, it's mostly preventable. That's why this month is so important. It's a time for us to educate ourselves, make small changes, and take better care of our heart. All right, let's talk about some facts here. Now, heart disease claims more lives than any form of cancer combined. That's something to think about. That heart disease claiming more lives than all the types of cancers there is combined. That's really something that we need to think about. And as we said previously, that this is something that is preventable. The good news is that up to 80% of heart disease is preventable with lifestyle changes. And that's why we here on Health Talk try to provide you with those health tips to keep your heart healthy, not just your heart, but your whole mind, your body, and even your spirit. Now, a healthy diet, regular exercise, and managing stress can make a huge difference. A lot of people don't realize the impact that stress have on our heart. It puts that strain on our heart. So managing stress, uh, doing exercise regularly, and eating a healthy diet, all those will help to make a difference in your heart health. So if you've been putting off all those little changes, this is your sign to start now. So it's never too late to get started on this here. Now, I know life is busy and changing habit isn't always easy, but good news. Here are some tips, some quick ways to keep both your heart in top shape. Number one, eat more healthy food. Think about things like leafy green vegetables, berries, nuts, salmon, all those things. Change your eating habit. You try to get rid of all those hard, greasy, fried food. Cut back on all your sweets that we eat and everything like that. I'm gonna find one to talk, but yeah, cutting back on the sweets. All right, move your body. Getting out and doing some 30 minutes of a walking or exercising, it does wonders for your heart. We're not talking about, when we say exercise, we're not talking about going out to the gym, doing all the weightlifting and all those. We just simple, what we call moderate level of exercising. Things such as getting out, doing brisk walking, or ballroom dancing, or when the summer come around, go swimming, or the fall come around, get out and rake in your yards. Those are things that can help promote heart health. Also, making sure you get enough sleep. I know with life being so fast paced and everything, a lot of us, barely get, 4 to 5 hours of sleep, but try to get a good 7 to 8 hours of sleep, or 7 to 9 hours of sleep. And your heart will really thank you, because it gives your heart time to rest, relax, and efficiently work as it is designed to do so. And we want to try to ditch those bad habits, things like smoking. So if you're a smoker, you want to consider quitting smoking. And if you need some help, talk with your healthcare provider about smoking cessation programs, medication, things of that nature that will help you to quit. Also, know your numbers. In other words, monitor your blood pressure. You want to keep an eye on those blood pressure, because those elevated blood pressure causes your heart to have to do extra work, which in turn causes your heart health to start going down and declining. So you want to keep your blood pressure at a stable level, so that that heart does not have to do all that extra work and give out on you. Okay. And watch your cholesterol levels. Make sure you keep your cholesterol level, your triglyceride level, and your blood sugar level. Make sure all those levels are kept at the normal level. You want to keep an eye on that. And if you're unsure your numbers, get with your healthcare provider and discuss that with them. What is a safe number for me in my health conditions and everything of that nature. Now remember, your heart is working for you every single second of the day. So let's return the favor and take care of it. So our heart is taking care of us every single second, every day. Our heart takes care of us. So let's return that favor and let's take care of our heart. All right. Now, before you go, do this right now. Hit the thumbs up button. And if you find this information to be helpful, make sure you subscribe. And as I said, it's free. Plus, when you tap the bell, you'll get notification when we post new health tips. All right. Stay safe, stay heart healthy, and we will see you in the next video. We will be uploading new content here very soon. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and definitely hit that bell button, so you'll know when we have uploaded new material. All right. Take care, and we will see you in the next video. God bless.